The journey of popcorn begins in the fields, where special varieties of corn are grown for their unique popping ability.
Harvesting machines efficiently separate kernels while preserving their internal moisture balance.
Once collected, the kernels are prepared for transport to industrial processing facilities.
From the farm, the harvest begins its journey toward large-scale processing.
At the factory, every batch is logged and prepared for industrial refinement. With delivery complete, the kernels enter controlled systems, where processing truly begins. Before any refinement begins, the kernels undergo initial cleaning to remove field debris.
Cooling locks in stability, preparing kernels for final quality sorting.
Inside the popper, heat and pressure combine to trigger the transformation.